Hello everyone. Firstly, let us quickly have a look on our presentation and then we will move further to the pseudocode and the prototype of the application. So here we go. The name of our application is Liu app and here's a sweet tagline also. Let's skip the queue by just using Liu. So let's move further. The problem here is that customers are facing a big hustle when they visit customer care nowadays, as customer cares are unable to attend to several customers due to COVID-19 time. So the existing solution in the market is that customer care themselves came up with a solution that they introduced a coupon system. In this, they will give coupon to the customer and make them wait in the waiting room till their coupon number flashes on the screen. But by doing this also, the problem remain unsolved as the customer have to wait for long time in the waiting area to get their problem solved. So here's our solution, the Liu app. How it works: by using this app, customer can book an appointment at the customer care by sitting their home only. They don't have to go anywhere. So they will get a time slot and a date at which they can visit the customer care and that get their problem solved. They will also get a virtual coupon which will be applicable for a certain duration of time. And the Liu app, this is not only an app but a platform. You don't have to store many apps for the different brands of different organizations. For example, HP, Lenovo, Compaq, Acer, and many more. You just have to you just have to install our Liu app, and you will get the access to all the brands customer cares from that app only. So now no need to wait for long time, no need to store many apps for the appointment, and no need to visit customer care again and again for the same problem. The technology we are using here is a blockchain technology. We are using blockchain in this project to maintain the records of the customers and to provide security of the data to the customer. This is the main point. We are providing end-to-end encryption to the data of the customers, their addresses, their contact numbers, their locations, and many more. So that was our presentation. Now let me quickly share the pseudocode of the application. Here we go. The first point includes that register as customer at customer care. When you visit the app, you will get an option to register as a customer or a customer care. This will be a common platform for both entities. That you are do you want to visit do you want to register as customer or do you want to register as customer care. Then you have to register with your ID. Then the next point is for customers only, that you have to select the brand and the product. Then you have to select the location. Then the customer will select a preferred time and a date. Then customers will get an OTP. Then the customer care will provide the date and time slot that will be preferably for them also. Then the customer care will give a virtual coupon and the customer will get a coupon. It's easy as that. Now let me quickly share the prototype of the application. So here we go. I have coded it in the Remix IDE, and I used the language Solidity. So here we go. Here's the complete code, and here's all the thing. As when you visit the app, you will see two options: either to register as a customer or to register as a customer care. So to register as a customer, for example, I have put here the ID 12345, customer name Garvit, customer age 20, and the location Haryana. When you transact it, you see here that it's showing the green signal that the customer is registered. Same as with the customer care, and here comes the main slot, the main thing of the app. Here, when you enter the brand, for example, I am entering Lenovo, then you will choose product. For example, I am choosing laptop. Then you will choose location. I am choosing Haryana. Then you will choose date. I am choosing August 2020. Then you will choose a time slot. For example, I am choosing 2 p.m. And when you transact that, you see that you get So when you debug that, you see that you get the time slot 2 p.m., the date August 2020, and you get a coupon code, a unique coupon code every time. That's very important. So that was the prototype of the application, and that was our complete project. Thank you very much.